Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Then they can share a video. Mema rain to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Miss Yancy a Ghana rich cake. Cake wey cake bi a de pa. Fensu ubetimi de aka wo Christmas menu ho. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Uko description box na ingredients ni na de ewo ho. Yes, that's it. Ye wo ye butter na margarine, condensed milk, egg, evaporated milk, baking powder. What the butter na margarine be good cake mixture mu. We na the sugar na de aka ho. No mama machine na cream ni nyina together. 500 gram butter and 1 cup sugar and ye use here. They say a cream na ye fluffy. Na afen so color na ye den e change. Ansa na ya to aso. Emra butter no so e creamy no. Na wabo kosua no kosua na ye use 8. Uwia no wakohwe de egu mu. Wo the vanilla aka ho. What creamy ni na together. Weye 5.5 cup all-purpose flour. Wo the baking powder aka ho. What mixing it together. Wo wi anu akohwe egu wo mixture ni mu. Ba de begu mu little at a time na akoso ayede ebiti. Wo the flour na egu mawie no. Now the 1 cup evaporated milk aka ho. We are now the 3 tablespoons sweet condensed milk aka ho. Na wakoso ayede creamy. Beating it from medium to high speed. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Aha no, are you ready? Na we do machine no. Na wakwatiti egu prepare cake pie mu. The chips egu enketwa no. Na wa baking 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Uwia no waba akese no so. Na no so watiti bi ede egu mu. Wa baking we no 180 degrees for 35 minutes. Last one, na the chocolate chips were the egg so. Then so I baking 180 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes no. Now where you need to oven mu. One manajo and sana was serve. Actually, the can I'll share a video. Then my ring to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No one notification bell no. Say the video be a better one inside the Ebeka. Me ye cake when I'm tasty and it tastes really nice. I feel so very soft and fluffy. It will be to me the account with Christmas menu no. And you will love it. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. our Ghana rich cake. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.